The role of structural engineers in disaster recovery. Introduction. When disaster strikes, the immediate focus is often on rescue and relief. But what happens next? How do communities rebuild safer, stronger, and smarter? That's where structural engineers play a vital role. Today, we'll explore how these unsung heroes help in disaster recovery, shaping resilient communities after the unthinkable happens. What do structural engineers do in disaster recovery? Structural engineers assess, plan, and rebuild. After an earthquake, hurricane, or other disaster, their first task is damage assessment. They inspect buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure to determine what's safe and what needs repair or replacement. For example, after an earthquake, engineers evaluate if damaged buildings can be retrofitted to withstand future tremors, or if they must be demolished. Their expertise ensures that decisions are based on safety and sustainability. Steps in disaster recovery. 1. Damage assessment. Structural engineers use advanced tools like drones, sensors, and computer modeling to quickly evaluate large-scale damage. They prioritize which structures need immediate attention, ensuring resources are allocated effectively. 2. Stabilization and temporary repairs. To prevent further damage, engineers design temporary supports for buildings and bridges. For instance, they might stabilize a cracked hospital so it can keep operating during recovery. 3. Redesign and reconstruction. Here's where structural engineers shine. They don't just rebuild, they redesign for resilience. New structures incorporate improved materials, modern techniques, and lessons learned from the disaster. This minimizes risks from future events. 4. Community collaboration. Structural engineers work closely with architects, city planners, and emergency managers to align reconstruction efforts with long-term community goals. For example, they may design flood-resistant homes in areas prone to hurricanes or earthquake-resistant schools in seismic zones. Real-world examples. One example is New Orleans after Hurricane Katrina. Structural engineers helped redesign levees and floodwalls to prevent another catastrophic failure. Similarly, after the 2011 earthquake in Christchurch, New Zealand, engineers led efforts to retrofit historic buildings and design safer infrastructure for future resilience. Challenges engineers face. The work is not without challenges. Limited resources, time constraints, and political pressures can complicate recovery efforts. Yet, structural engineers persevere, driven by their commitment to public safety and sustainable rebuilding. Structural engineers are the backbone of disaster recovery. Their work doesn't just restore what was lost, it lays the foundation for a safer, more resilient future. By assessing damage, stabilizing structures, and designing with disaster resilience in mind, they ensure communities can bounce back stronger than before. Thank you for exploring the critical role of structural engineers in disaster recovery. If you found this insightful, like, share, and subscribe for more on the hidden heroes shaping our world.